I'm David Fraser. I'm the Business Unit Manager for SFS, principally looking after subframe down at our Welwyn Garden City office. We are experts in our particular fields with fastening and subframe technologies. We are the leader, we are the innovators. We're the people that understand what drives the market and deliver solutions that actually match the requirements of our numerous types of customers. As part of our overall proposition, we launched Envelope Thermal Solutions, and this was a direct response to a huge driver in our marketplace in terms of thermal performance in facades and subframes specifically. We have a range of thermal solutions that meets the specific requirements which a customer or a client or an architect can actually select to actually meet the expectations and the requirements they have thermally for their particular project. The entry-level bracket system we have for thermal solutions revolves around our aluminium bracket system. So that is our basic NV VB bracket, which includes a green isolator. We can enhance that particular thermal performance and reduce point loss from that bracket further by introducing our own SFS patented thermal pad, which is a technology based around aerogel, and we have a compression control system within that which reduces the degradation of thermal performance when the bracket is actually installed and the pad is compressed. Next level entry is stainless steel bracket. Whilst aluminium is well understood and frequently used in our industry, the only real downside it has to it is that thermally it is highly conductive to heat. By using and introducing a stainless steel bracket, you can reduce the thermal transmittance of the bracket by up to a factor of 12 times. So stainless steel is ideally suited for that particular application and will be used for higher demanding requirements where we need to reduce the point loss further. The next level then would be our stainless steel or NVS bracket plus thermal pad, and that will achieve the optimum in terms of thermal performance. The ultimate within our thermal solutions range is a recent introduction, which is called NVS-RP. So that involves our NVS stainless steel bracket, which can be supplied with or without our thermal pad. And this is used in conjunction with our RP retaining plate, which is used exclusively to fix and support a collaboration we have with Kingspan, Kingspan Alpha Core pad, which is a next generation high performance insulant. So this offers the customer the chance to use a highly efficient insulant system within their actual design, which minimizes thermal degradation through point loss by eliminating the use of traditional primary fixings for the insulation. So now the specifier has a range of different solutions which can offer different thermal performance based on the selection of the relevant thermal solution system for their project. One of the more useful aspects of our thermal solutions is it enables the client to balance performance versus cost, and the actual range of different systems we have actually allow the selection to actually achieve this aim. One of the well understood issues with a subframe system, which you have to have, let's face it, is that point loss can actually occur through the actual bracket. And this literally is where brackets are installed right back to the main substrate. They cut through the insulation and they act as a cold bridging element where heat can literally be just drawn straight out the building. Our thermal builder, which is found within our Connect suite of added value services for our customers. This is an online calculation tool which can understand and achieve the thermal performance of the relevant system. This used in combination with information by the thermal engineer on a particular project is extremely useful to come up with the optimum level of performance versus the optimum level of cost for a particular solution to achieve the desirable U value. The materials that we use within our thermal solution systems is really important. We start off with aluminium. Aluminium is well understood, well liked by the industry. It's light, it's easy to install, the performance of it is known, and it's quite easy to manufacture and obtain. The downside to it, however, is the thermal performance side of things, it is highly thermally effective and efficient. So it will very effectively suck heat out of a building through the insulation and cause problems in terms of point loss. At SFS, we choose a particular grade of alloy for aluminium, which is 6005 AT6. It's a higher strength alloy, which means our brackets are stronger than most of the brackets in the marketplace. The majority of 6005 alloy that we use is made from wholly recycled material. And that's very important because aluminium, whilst well understood and widely available in the market, is one of the big users of energy in the world. It's estimated up to 5% of the world's carbon is used to actually produce aluminium. And 6005 uses majority of recycled material over virgin aluminium. Remelting existing recycled material only uses 10% of the energy used to produce primary or virgin aluminium. We've selected stainless steel 316 grade, which has superior corrosion resistance. So most other stainless steel systems in the marketplace use not inferior, but less corrosion resistant alloys, namely 304. All our alloys, be it aluminium, stainless steel, and indeed our thermal pad, achieve either A1 or A2 Euro classification. This means they effectively are non-combustible. The 3 S's are very important to us. They can be broken down really into 3 key areas. We're safe because our systems are all non-combustible, A1, A2 Euro class. We're secure because our brackets are strong. We're sustainable because our brackets are largely recycled, manufactured from recycled material. And we're also sustainable because our brackets are strong. You need less of them per square metre. SFS are securing futures in a safe, secure and sustainable way.